everybody. My name is Rob Anderson. I'm here on the Vegas Strip tonight. We're going to do some magic with Alex and Gina, who are dating. We're going to... Why is that funny? Are you kidding?
No, I'm not.
The whole thing is a prank on me. How long have you been together?
2.5 years.
Cool. Okay. 2.5 years. So,
Good amount of time.
a couple years ago, you guys went on some first dates and realized you liked each other, got to know each other, held hands. Somebody had to text each other the next day after your date. Who texted first?
Probably. I don't know.
Probably you?
I don't know.
That's all right.
She super likes me on Tinder. We won't talk about it.
Oh, it's a Tinder thing.
We don't have to talk about
God,
it.
you super like. Okay, cool. Tell you what, I want to take you back to early on, after that Tinder super like, after that first date, you guys holding hands. I'm going to do this. I got a card here, the King of Clubs. Tell you what, Alex, could you hold one hand out here towards Gina? We're going to get you involved in a second. I've got the King of Clubs. Gina, I'd like you to just place your hand on top of this card in your hand, so you're kind of holding hands right there. Remember that first date?
Ayo.
Oh yeah. I got another card, Ace of Hearts. I think this is better for you guys to have. It represents love. We're here talking about your love tonight. It's a good card for you to have. I don't want to take it, but I think if we could switch cards, a 1, 2, 3, just like that, and switch the cards. Look what you have right there. Ah. You love man and
She loves it. She loves it.
It's all about love tonight. Thank you, thank you. Check it out. I'm gonna step it up, because I made a prediction before I came here about meeting a very compatible couple. I think you're gonna do great at this. I have 4 queens here, okay? I'm gonna hold them in my hand right here. I'm actually gonna hand them to you, Gina. Could you hold on to these just like I have them? Just gently hold them so they don't move, okay? You're holding 4 queens. This has to do with your compatibility together as a couple. 2-part trick. It'll be fine. You guys are gonna do great. You're very compatible. I like you guys. You like each other. It's gonna go really well. Gina, Alex has left the red cards in your hand. Visualize them. Red cards, heart and diamond. They're right in your hand right now. Imagine them. And then I want you to keep one in your mind. You can keep either one, hearts or diamonds. Which one would you like to keep, hearts or diamonds? Oh, diamonds. Okay. She wants a diamond, by the way. No pressure. 2.5 years, no pressure. Here's what's cool. No funny moves. You guys just worked together. You chose the Queen of Diamonds. I predicted you would actually say the Queen of Diamonds, and that's why I turned that over before I came here. I took that from a totally different deck of cards. I was so sure about what you... Thank you. She does like magic.
She really does.
I actually knew I wouldn't have to bring anything else except the Queen of Diamonds tonight. That's how compatible you would be.
How cool is that?
I'm glad that one worked out. Let's do one more. Let's do the grand finale. Cool?
Okay, yeah.
Gina, you're gonna help me out again. You're gonna think of any happy memory that you have made with Alex. Could be anything at all. Don't tell us, don't tell it, just for you to know, okay? 2.5 years, a lot of great memories. Think of one. When you have that in mind, think of the time it happened, 1 through 12 o'clock. If you don't know, just approximate 1 through 12 o'clock, okay? Don't say it out loud yet.
Not.
Good, I know you're not. She's seen this before.
I'm not.
Have you been to my show? She knows what to do.
I am not.
I think she's seen me before. 3, 2, and 1 o'clock. Now, you're thinking of one of the times on this clock. It's my job to figure out what time you're thinking of. I'm gonna do that with this fork I stole from dinner earlier.
Ayo.
Kidding, wouldn't that be great? My reading doesn't work like that. I do have an idea though. I think when you looked at the clock in a certain place, I believe the hour you're thinking of right now is actually 7 o'clock, yes or no? No? Watch. Was it 8 o'clock?
Yes.
It was 8 o'clock.
Oh my God.
You thought of 8 o'clock.
I did.
Out of all the hours, that means the 8 o'clock card must be special. None of these cards matters anymore. You thought of the 8 o'clock card. That means it must be a very important card for your relationship. I'm going to show the camera what this card is. I'm going to show Alex what this card is. I think you'll agree this is an important card, isn't it?
Yeah.
When you're ready, would you show Gina what the 8 o'clock card is?
Okay. All right. All right. I'm ready. Stop!